Biography of Shahid Bhagat Singh. Basic information. Full name Bhagat Singh. Date of birth 28 September 1907. Place of birth Banga village, Punjab, now in Pakistan. Father's name Kisan Singh. Mother's name Vidyavati. Nationality Indian. Martyrdom death 23rd March 1931. Age of death 23 years. Early education. Bhagat Singh was born into a patriotic Sikh family. His father and uncle were actively involved in the Indian freedom struggle, which deeply influenced him from a young age. As a child, he was inspired by Jallianwala Bagh massacre, which left a strong impression on his mind. He visited the site and collected the soil soaked with the blood of martyrs. He studied at the National College, Lahore, where he became involved in revolutionary activities and developed strong nationalist ideas. Revolutionary activities. Bhagat Singh joined the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association, a group working to end British rule in India. Key events. Killing of Sanders 1928. After the death of Lala Rajpat Rai, who was injured during a protest against the Simon Commission protest, Bhagat Singh and his associate planned revenge. They assassinated John Sanders in Lahore as a response. Central Assembly bombing 1929. Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt threw bomb in Central Legislative Assembly in Delhi. The bomb were not meant to kill but to make a loud protest against British laws. They shouted slogans like Inqilab Zindabad and willingly surrounded to spread their message. Trial and execution. Bhagat Singh was arrested and put on trial for his revolutionary activities. During his imprisonment, he went on a long hunger strike demanding better treatment for Indian prisoners. Despite widespread protest and appeal for mercy, the British government sentenced him to death. On 23rd March 1931, Bhagat Singh, along with Rajguru Sukhdev, was executed in Lahore jail. Ideology and beliefs. Bhagat Singh believed in from British rule, equality and justice, socialism, sacrifice for the nation. He was also influenced by revolutionary literature and thinker from around the world. Legacy. Bhagat Singh is remembered as one of the greatest heroes of India's independence movement. His courage, patriotism, and sacrifice inspired millions of Indians. Every year, 23rd March is observed as a Martyr Day, Shahid Divas, in India to honor his sacrifice. Famous quote: "They may kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas."